What if I told you that the deepest place on Earth is so extreme that humans have explored less of it than the surface of the moon? A place where the pressure could crush a human instantly, where sunlight never reaches, and where life exists in ways that seem almost impossible. Today we're diving into the Mariana Trench, the deepest, darkest place on our planet. The Mariana Trench is a massive, crescent-shaped trench in the western Pacific Ocean, located east of the Mariana Islands. It stretches for about 2,550 kilometers. That's longer than the distance from London to Rome. And it reaches a mind-blowing depth of nearly 11 kilometers, or 36,000 feet. To put that into perspective, if you dropped Mount Everest into the trench, its peak would still be over 2 kilometers underwater. The deepest known point is called Challenger Deep. The trench was formed by a process called subduction. This happens when one tectonic plate slides beneath another. In this case, the Pacific plate is slowly being forced under the Mariana plate. This movement happens at just a few centimeters per year, about the speed your fingernails grow. But over millions of years, it carved the deepest scar on Earth's surface. Conditions in the Mariana Trench are absolutely brutal. At the bottom, pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. The temperature is just above freezing, and there is complete darkness, as no sunlight at all. Under these conditions, a human body would be crushed instantly without a specially designed submersible. And yet, life still exists. Despite the extreme environment, scientists have discovered bizarre and fascinating creatures. Some animals down there are transparent, bioluminescent. They create their own light, and completely unlike anything found near the surface. One of the most famous is the snailfish, which looks soft and fragile but is perfectly adapted to survive the crushing pressure. Even more shocking, scientists have found microplastics and chemical pollutants at the bottom of the trench, proving that human impact reaches even the most remote places on Earth. Only a handful of people have ever reached the bottom of the Mariana Trench. In 1960, Jacques Picard and Don Walsh were the first humans to descend in a submersible called Trieste. In 2012, filmmaker James Cameron made a solo dive to Challenger Deep. More recent missions have used robotic and crewed submersibles to collect data and samples. Even today, exploring the trench is incredibly difficult, expensive, and dangerous. So why should we care about a place so deep and unreachable? Studying the Mariana Trench helps scientists understand extreme life forms, learn more about Earth's geology, and develop technology that could one day help explore other planets. In many ways, the trench is like a window into Earth's past, and possibly our future. The Mariana Trench reminds us that even on our own planet, there are still vast mysteries waiting to be